The body. Working into a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your fingers like this. Make a loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn with the thumb and middle finger. Insert hook into the loop on middle finger. Hook the yarn and put up a loop. A magic ring is formed on middle finger. In round 1, start with the chain stitch, then work 8 single crochets. Finally, join this round with 1 slip stitch. First, work 1 chain stitch. The chain stitch serves as the beginning to raise the height. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Then work 8 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Hook the yarn and put up a loop through the ring. Then yarn around the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Such a V shape on the side stands for 1 stitch. Such a V shape on the side stands for 1 stitch. Place a marker in the first stitch of each round. Continue to work 7 more single crochets in the same way. The second single crochet is done. There are 2 V stand for 2 stitches. Continue to work 6 more single crochets. We can count the V's to check the number of stitches. There are 8 V's. 8 single crochets are done. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker. Work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn 1 hook and put up a loop. Then pull the first loop through the original loop on the hook. Make sure to tighten up when you work the slip stitch. The slip stitch serves as a connection and is not counted as 1 stitch. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch and then work 8 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The chain stitch serves as the beginning of each round to raise the height. It is not counted into the number of stitches. Then work 8 increases. First, work 1 single crochet in the first stitch where we just worked the slip stitch of last round. Place a marker in the first stitch of each round. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch, so we need to work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. One increase is done. Continue to work 7 more increases. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join the round. Round 2 is done. Pay attention to the yarn's tightness during crocheting. If we pull the yarn too tight, we can't insert the hook easily. If it's too loose, the stitch holes becomes too large, so the fabric will be out of beauty. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch and then work a set of 1 single crochet, 1 increase for 8 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet. Next, 1 increase. One single crochet and 1 increase are finished. One set is done. Keep working 7 more sets. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Round 3 is done.